Feaver, and I wanted to share a little video today talking about how to break weight loss plateaus, my experience, or overcoming weight loss plateaus. I have been in Weight Watchers for over 15 years, and I want to tell you a little bit about my story. I have lost over 50 pounds and kept it off for close to 15 years now. And I came back from Europe. I weighed a lot and I had trouble. It was all in my middle and in my back. And so I was having problems with my back. So I decided to start weight loss and I lost it in about 10 months' time. I lost 50 pounds and my goal was to keep it off. But during that time, and even now, your weight goes up and down and you reach plateaus. And I've learned that everybody's body is different, but you learn as you go through your weight loss process, you learn how your body reacts to certain things. And I was in Weight Watchers, and Weight Watchers, there's a lot of meals that are pretty much the same that you eat every day, like breakfast and lunch, and you may change it up at dinner or whatnot, but a lot of times you get in a routine of eating the same. And I found that if you go and sometimes go out and have a nice dinner at a restaurant and keep your portion control and watch that, but you just eat something entirely different and you have a nice meal and you don't worry about losing weight so much, and then you go back and get on track again. And so I learned that helps you to break through a plateau. The other thing is to evaluate how much exercise you're doing. If you're doing a lot of exercise, you might want to stop and then start in again. Another thing that I've learned is you need to look at evaluating your water intake, your fluids. And if you're not drinking enough water helps the weight loss process. It fills your cells and helps them get rid of things that are bad in your cells. So the more water you drink, the better you are. Now, sometimes you retain fluids for certain instances, and that may be an issue too, but that doesn't cause a plateauing thing usually. But changing that up, the other thing that when I had trouble dropping a pound here, a pound there, is sometimes I wasn't looking at the nutrients like the oils and the minerals that I was intaking. I quit doing that. So you get on this journey and sometimes you don't realize that it could be a help to you. So I hope those points or those tips could help you. Weight Watchers, I still go to meetings because I love to get the Weight Watcher tips. There's a lot of recipes and there's a lot of ideas that help you on your journey. And we're on a journey, a lifetime journey if you're losing weight. So you look at it that way and enjoy your life, then that's probably the best way to look at it. I'm also in the business of helping people as much as I can, but I also have an online business. And if you're interested in looking at online business, then check below and check my link below and connect with me there, and I'll show you that business. Also, please if you like my video, if you like what my content was, please subscribe to my channel and I'll have more for you. And I want to thank you. And if you have any comments, please leave them below too. Thank you and have a good day.